Okay guys, I'm at the Nob Hill Inn in Sun Valley, and I'm going to give you a small fire alarm tour. So here is a newer system sensor 4W i3 smoke detector. This has replaced an ESL smoke detector that I vaguely remember. And down here, this hallway, we have an ESL 445 series smoke detector. In the kitchen or the dining room, there's an older Edwards heat detector, which actually those Edwards heat detectors have been recalled, unfortunately, but I guess these ones still work. All right guys, and down in the basement, here's another system sensor 4-wire detector. And down there's an ESL 449 series smoke detector. Okay guys, I'm at the second level, and all there is on this floor is just system sensor 4-wire detectors. So here's one by the elevator. And here's another. Here's what looks to be an Edwards pulse station of some sort. And then another 4-wire. And the notification appliances for this hotel are Wheelock 7002T horn strobes. They're really old. On the third floor, here's another 4-wire. Then down there's another ESL 445 series. And then another Wheelock 7002T. On the last floor, here's another 4-wire right by the elevator. Then the Edwards pulse station. And then another ESL 445 smoke detector. And then another Wheelock 7002T. Okay guys, now in my hotel room, we have an ESL 445 smoke and heat detector combo. And then in the living room, we have an ESL 449 CSRH 4-wire smoke detector. I'm assuming it's addressable, but I'm assuming that they didn't call these devices addressable back then. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.